Come test drive the 2022 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof, electronic stability control. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, power driver seat, power passenger seat, tilt steering wheel, rear audio controls. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.